You can come down this way a bit if you want. You want to look at her? You want to be able to see her? Yeah. How you feeling? Deep breathes. Yeah. She looks magnificent. Yeah. He looks all right too. I love the traditional beautiful. Makes Australians look boring. Nah, it's beautiful. So hold hands, make out you like each other. That's it. All right. You all ready? You just want to sign and get it over and done with? No, it's lovely. And well done, Murray and Ula. You conducted your courtship in an honourable way, yeah? And now the purpose of this little talk is to see how your marriage can also be honourable in Jehovah's eyes, and how the love and the happiness that you both feel now is only really the tip of the iceberg of how deep your love will be, how wide-ranging your happiness will be, both for each other as well as for your life together. Yeah. Because you think about why did Jehovah even institute the marriage arrangement? Because when you think about it, it wasn't just for pleasure and convenience, but the marriage arrangement is actually a very noble and lofty arrangement in Jehovah's eyes there. Because with Adam, when he was made, he was by himself. We don't know for how long. He had jobs to do. But he noticed how all the animals all had someone, but he didn't have anyone. And way back in the beginning, you would have known when you're looking at the Bible in the beginning in Genesis chapter 2, it got to the point where Jehovah God knew that Adam needed a helper. He needed a complement, not a slave, but a helper, a complement. Yeah, that's right. He didn't. And so in Genesis chapter 2, and in verse 21, it says, "So Jehovah God caused the man to fall into a deep sleep, and while he was sleeping, he took one of his ribs and then closed up the flesh over its place. And Jehovah God built the rib that he had taken from the man into a woman, and he brought her to the man." So Jehovah God's gone to a lot of work there. Because remember with Adam, Jehovah formed Adam from the dust, and he became a man. But with a woman, there was plenty of dust around. He could have used the dust to make a woman. He didn't do that. He used the rib of the man to make the woman, not the dust to make the woman. So straight away, there was going to be a connection between a man and a woman that never existed with any other living creature in the universe. This was something unique. So this is why the marriage of a man and woman together, it is special. And it carries the promise of so much good, both for yourselves and then, if there's family down the line, But this was a special arrangement from Jehovah God. And this is why in verse 24, Genesis 2, it says, "That is why a man will leave his father and his mother, and he will stick to his wife, and they'll become one flesh." So that's not Adam saying that he's going to stick to his wife. That's Jehovah God saying. So from today on, the two of you enter a new bond that never existed beforehand. And we hope that that bond will go for all eternity for the two of you. So it's a unique connection, and no doubt when Adam first laid his eyes on Eve, she would have been absolutely stunning, much like Ula now, yeah? And when Eve set her eyes on Adam for the first time, I don't know, maybe her heart was racing with this handsome man, much like, yeah, you got the idea, yeah? So, you know, Jehovah God, he didn't have to institute the arrangement, but he did, because he knew the joy and the happiness that it would bring to the man and the woman to be together, stick together as one flesh. So the thing is, how can you continue to make sure that the love and the happiness that you feel today is only the start of what will be available for you for the future there? The way is in Ecclesiastes chapter 4. In Ecclesiastes chapter 4, there's a fundamental truth. Ecclesiastes 4. I can just, there we go. There's a fundamental truth in verse 9. It says, 2 are better than 1, because they have a good reward for the hard work. So when a man and woman get married, they have, we hope, many good times together. Marriage is like a twofold cord. So a man and a woman, they're combined, they're united in their viewpoint, in their purpose, mutually supportive. And there's millions and millions of couples around the world that go through decades and decades of being happily married together. You know, you hear they've been married 50 years, 60, 70, 80 years, and their love for each other is strong. There's a good reward for their hard work. But the two of you have an opportunity that not everyone takes up. And that opportunity is in verse 12 of there. I'll read it for you, Murray. It says, and someone may overpower one alone, but 2 together can take a stand against him. But here's the point. And a 3-fold cord cannot quickly be torn in 2. So the 2 of you have shown in your life, including today, that it's not just that you want to be a 2-fold cord and have the benefits of that, but you now want Jehovah to be involved in your marriage too, and that becomes the 3rd cord. And as you two wrap your lives together around Jehovah, being that 3rd cord, it's almost unbreakable. Almost there, yeah? And that is going to give you so much satisfaction and pleasure in life, to continue to take care of each other, to do it in association with the originator of the marriage, who knows the best way for you to get the most out of your life. So how can you do that? So for a couple of minutes, Murray, we're going to talk to you. Yeah? You'll be the husband. So what does Jehovah ask of you? So then you show that he's involved in the marriage, and that you're going to treat Ula the way that she deserves and the way that Jehovah expects you to treat her. Yeah? Because your actions and your words will do a lot for her to have deep respect. Not only love, but deep respect for you as the husband there. Because a wise husband learns how to exercise headship by imitating who's the head of us, which is Jesus Christ. Yeah, everyone has a head, everyone except Jehovah. So as husbands, we're the head of our household, but we're also answerable above. So what can you do? Well, first thing, consider Ula's opinion before deciding matters, especially if the decision will affect Ula. And believe me, bro, most of your decisions are going to affect Ula. So take her into account, yeah? Up until now, you haven't really needed to, you know, because you've been a single man. But particularly from today on, because now we've got this special bond, more than ever before, the decisions you make, the direction you take as the head of the family, is going to have an impact upon Ula and any children or whatever that might come along the way. Yeah. So consider Ula's opinion there. You make the final decision, but take her feelings into account there, yeah? And the other thing that's going to be good for you to gain deep respect, Murray, the world is all about multitasking, where you can do 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 things all at once. Yeah, sometimes at work we're expected to do more things, more than one job at a time. But when it comes to taking care of Ula, no such thing as multitasking. For example, one evening, it's been maybe a hard day, or you've been busy, and so in the evening the two of you are sitting down, perhaps on a lounge there. You got your favourite music playing in the background. You got your arm around Ula. She's got her head on your shoulder. She's just enjoying it, and you're enjoying having her there. But then with the other phone, you're messaging your mates, or you're watching the footy, or something else. You're multitasking, yeah? But that's not showing the greatest respect. There's times where you can do more than one thing at a time, but there's also time as husband, you want to devote everything to that moment, to reassuring Ula of your love and just the time and attention for her. And that will help you, the bond to grow stronger each day. Taking the lead in spiritual matters is important, because it's going to be easy for Ula to love and respect a spiritual person. So you show yourself not only to be a physical man, but to be a spiritual man. And Ula, her love and her respect for you will continue to deepen to do that. So Murray, it's like in Ephesians chapter 5. Ephesians 5, in 25, it says, "Husbands, continue loving your wives, just as the Christ also loved the congregation and gave himself up for it." So how much love has Jesus shown for the congregation? Yeah, huge amount of love. So you love Ula just as deeply as Jesus loves the congregations. And in verse 28, 29, in the same way, husbands should love their wives as their own bodies. A man who loves his wife loves himself. For no man ever hated his own body, but he feeds and cherishes it, just as the Christ does the congregation. So you love Ula as much as you love yourself. You take care of yourself, yeah? You love Ula. You take care of Ula. No sane man ever hates or is brutal to his own body. You always make sure that you've got something in your stomach, you've got some nice clothes to wear. You take care of yourself, yeah? So it's the same principle. Ula, she's taken care of herself all these years, but now you take care of her in a way that she hasn't had before. She hasn't had a husband before, yeah? And you never ever, even when things go wrong, even when you've had a hard day, even when you're stressed out, or even if you're angry about something that's gone on, you never ever, in a physical way, in a verbal way or anything else, you never lash out at Ula. And you don't seem to be the sort of person too. You seem to be a gentle, but you never do that, because Jesus never does that with the congregation. You never downgrade her. You never rob her of her dignity. Always treat her as someone very, very precious. And then she'll have not only love, but she'll have deep respect for the way that you're going. And then with Ula, to be a wife that, Murray, he loves you deeply now, that's obvious. But that love will deepen even more as the years roll by. Yeah. And so the Bible also provides some nice reminders. Jehovah, as the originator of marriage, your role in the marriage is not, you're not second rate, you're not a servant, you're not a consolation prize type thing. Eve wasn't a consolation prize being made. Very important and dignified role within the marriage, and always remember that. Husbands are told to honour our wife. You're a complement, you're not inferior. But you're also your recognition of the headship principle that Jehovah has. It's a benefit. It doesn't demean you. It doesn't lower your status. It's a very honourable way. And in Ephesians 5, verse 22 to 24, he said, "Let wives be in subjection to their husbands, as to the Lord, because a husband is head of his wife, just as the Christ is head of the congregation, he being a saviour of this body. In fact, as the congregation is in subjection to the Christ, wives should also be to their husbands in everything." So by following that, it works well in the congregation, and it works well within families, that threefold cord, you see. And there would be times where the ideas that you have would be much better than his ideas. And sometimes, we realise that. So always feel that you can voice how you feel, how you think, what you would like to see. You should always feel free to do that. But in the end, you either make the decision jointly, or Murray as the head will make the decision. But then work with that, and Jehovah will bless your efforts there. In verse 33 it says, "Nevertheless, each one of you must love his wife as he does himself. On the other hand, the wife should have deep respect for her husband." He's not always going to get things right. I don't know if you've seen that yet or not. But he's not. But don't belittle him, because that's not going to help, and I'm sure you won't. But you'll work. But as you contribute to make the home a pleasant and happy place, and if he makes a decision that would be different to what you would have done, just work with it. Try to make it succeed. And your love will be strong there. So really, what's the main point? Whether you both have unfailing love and deep respect for each other will primarily come down to you. If you want that, if you both work for that, you will both achieve that in your marriage there. Clothe yourselves with love. Just as clothing protects the body, so love will safeguard marital unity. Just as clothing enhances the beauty of the wearer, love adds luster to God's marvellous provision of marriage. Look for ways to nurture that love, to show that love to each other each day. Date nights are an amazing thing, Murray. Date nights cover a multitude of mistakes. Look for things to do together. If you enjoy going for walks, if you enjoy particular activities together, do those things. Look for ways to just totally enjoy being in each other's company. Respect each other's feelings and needs. Just because you'll be living under the same roof doesn't automatically mean that you're spending time together. Do things together. Gently spoken words, gracious looks and gestures, kindness, understanding, tenderness are all beautiful forms of communication. And finally, be resolved to build your life together around Jehovah. Yeah. As you do, your marriage will bring honour to the source of true love, Jehovah, and just like a beautiful fire on a cold night. The collective hope of everyone here, as well as of Jehovah God, is that your love and your happiness for each other will just continue to blaze brightly, and we hope for all eternity. Yeah, that's our hope. Honourable marriage. Look forward to seeing good things over the years, yeah, with you both. But you know, now, that was the beautiful spiritual part, but now we've got to do the legal part, yeah? So what we'll do is we'll get you both to stand, and the two mums that are going to be signing the forms, so if you can come up as well. Yeah, where's the other mum? There we go. You want to make sure the mums come up all right, mate? Yeah, that's it. Nothing like being on a stage, is it? So you're going to be all right to stand? All right. So come on in, mums. That's all right. You're an important part of this arrangement too, yeah? Good on you. That's all right. All right. So hold hands. That's all right. That's good. You all right there, mums? Okay. So the first questions, Murray and Ula, I ask you both a question, and if you agree with the question, then you say I do. All right. So Murray will ask you first. Yeah. Thanks. That's good. So Murray, do you, Murray Heasley Ikahihifo, in the presence of Jehovah God and these witnesses, take Ula Afato to be your wedded wife, to love and to cherish, in accordance with the divine law as outlined in the Holy Scriptures for Christian husbands, for as long as you both may live? If you agree, you say I do.
I do.
Very good. Just as well. All right. Okay, Ula, your turn. Do you, Ula Afato, in the presence of Jehovah God and these witnesses, take Murray Heasley Ikahihifo to be your wedded husband, to love and to cherish and deeply respect, in accordance with the divine law as outlined in the Holy Scriptures for Christian wives, for as long as you both may live?
I do.
Beautiful. All right. So now, if you now face each other. That's okay. Yeah, just turn. Just face each other. That's it. Yeah, that'd be right. As long as I can hear you, that's all right. It's a beautiful wedding dress. Yeah. All right. Okay, you ready? So this is, I'll just say it in little bits to make it easy for you to say. So you repeat after me, all right? So Murray, you're first. I, Murray Heasley Ikahihifo.
I, Murray Heasley Ikahihifo.
Take you, Ula Afato.
Take you, Ula Afato.
To be my wedded wife.
To be my wedded wife.
To love and to cherish.
To love and to cherish.
In accordance with.
In accordance with.
The divine law.
The divine law.
As set forth. As set forth.
As set forth.
In the Holy Scriptures.
In the Holy Scriptures.
For Christian husbands.
For Christians' husbands.
For as long as.
For as long as.
We both shall live.
We both shall live.
Together on earth.
Together on earth.
according to
according to
God's marital arrangement.
God's
Marital
marital
arrangement.
arrangement.
Well done. Good job. Okay, Ula. And I apologise for saying these surnames wrong. I, Ula Afato.
I, Ula Afato.
Take you, Murray Heasley Ikahifo.
Take you, Murray Heasley Ikahifo.
To be my wedded husband.
To be my wedded husband.
To love and to cherish.
To love and to cherish.
And deeply respect.
And deeply respect.
In accordance with.
In accordance with.
The divine law.
The divine law.
As set forth.
As set forth.
In the Holy Scriptures.
In the Holy Scriptures.
For Christian wives.
For Christian wives.
For as long as.
For as long as.
We both shall live.
We both shall live.
Together on earth.
Together on earth.
According to.
According to.
God's marital arrangement.
God's marital arrangements.
Beautiful. Now we have some rings. Yeah? So if we bring the rings up. And you lads look good too. And the girls. Yeah, they look beautiful, don't they? All right. So Murray, if you want to put the ring on Ula's finger first. Beautiful. And now Ula, if you want to put the ring on Murray's finger. So these rings are an outward and visible sign signifying unto all the uniting of this man and this woman in the bonds of matrimony. Very nice. Okay. For as much as Murray Heasley Ikahihifo and Ula Afato have covenanted before Jehovah God and these witnesses to accept each other in wedlock, I, as an ordained minister, and by the authority conferred upon me by the Holy Scriptures and the law of the Commonwealth of Australia, pronounce that they are husband and wife together. What God has yoked together, let no man put apart. You may kiss the bride. No, don't go away, mums. Let's say we'll just say a brief prayer. We thank Jehovah for the marriage arrangement. Yeah. All right. Our dear Father in the heavens, Jehovah, thank you so much, not only for the gift of life, Father, but for the opportunity to enjoy it so fully and to enjoy all the beautiful gifts that you have given to us. One of those gifts, of course, is the marriage arrangement, and it's so happy for us, and it must be for you too, to see Murray and Ula get married today and to want to have you as that third cord in their marriage. We ask, please, Father, that you will continue to bless them, help them to continue to enjoy and grow stronger in their love and respect for each other, and in their wanting to do things your way and to make your heart rejoice too. So the prayer, please, Father, please bless them. Please help them in the days and the months and the years and the decades to come. Help them to really have a beautiful, successful marriage. We thank you for this arrangement. May all these things be done to your praise and glory too. And we ask this in Jesus' name. Amen. Amen. All right. So now we have some paperwork to do. So there will just be some nice background music, friends, just as we're signing the forms. And there's also going to be just a couple of announcements as well. All right. So now we come over to the table.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, closer to you. Yeah.
Brothers and sisters, friends and family, just a few short announcements. A kind reminder, please, that there will be no throwing of confetti, no throwing of rice or flowers over the bride and groom, both inside the Kingdom Hall and outside of the Kingdom Hall. Upon the recessional, so when Brother Murray and Sister Ula just walk back up the aisle, they've kindly asked if you can stay in your rows, because they would like to take a big group photo together with everyone here. So that will be controlled from the photographer. But if you can kindly just stay where you are, they'll be probably in the middle of the aisle and then probably all just bunched together for a group photo. For the guests who've received a formal invitation to the reception, please note that upon arriving to the venue, the car park to the MC ballroom is located to the right-hand side as you drive in. So guests are kindly asked to be seated by 6:20 this evening. So if you have received a formal invitation, there will be programs for the reception handed out in the foyer at the end. Now, last announcement, whaamone o soima tō whawhine, e mana o mia lau tō whesoswani, e toi tu uno fo i le mea sa iai mo le sauninga tae ao, ma le aso sa. Tawhatai.
So I have great pleasure in introducing to you for the first time, Mr. and Mrs. Ikahihifo. Good job, Mum. Whichever way is easier. I think they're getting the group shot, yeah?
Yeah, so, ladies and gentlemen, if you guys want to stand up and come nice and close to the group first, I'm going to get one before everyone.
It's a new meeting of the word selfie. Do you want to?
You can do it.
Do you want to pause for?
Yeah, nice. Yeah, where you are. Right, everyone. As well, if you can fill in, there's a gap in there, so come on in, fill it in. Just give me a few seconds to sort this. Alright, everyone. Hold it for me again. Alright, everyone, if you could just all look at the camera, and if you can't see me, just waiting for mine. Oh, okay, sorry. If you can't see me, just poke your heads out. But everyone looks really nice. Okay, big smiles at the camera, everyone. Come on in, everyone. All right. Big smiles, everyone. 1, 2, 3. Here we go. And one more again. Big smiles, everyone. 1, 2, and 3. Perfect. Okay. No worries. Thank you.
Hey, good job, bud. Well dressed man.
smiles at the camera. 1, 2. Ready? Big smiles at the camera, looking at me. Ready? 1, 2, 3. One more. 1, 2, 3. All right.
I've had my share of life's ups and downs, but fate's been kind. The downs have been few. I guess you could say but I've been lucky. Well, I guess you could say that it's all because of you. If anyone should ever write my life story, for whatever reason there might be, oh, you'll be there between each line of pain and glory, 'cause you're the best thing that ever happened to me. Oh, you're the best thing that ever happened to me. There have been times when times were hard, I somehow made it. I made it through. For every moment that I've spent hurting, there was a moment that I spent just loving you. If anyone should ever write my life story, for whatever reason there might be, oh, you'll be there between each line of pain and glory, 'cause you're the best thing that ever happened to me. Oh, you're the best thing that ever happened to me.
Now one of your Prince Charming will come rescue you. You like romantic movies, and you never will forget that way you felt when Romeo kissed Juliet.
And all the time that you've been waiting, you don't have to wait no more.
I can love you like that. I will make you my world.
Yeah.
Heaven and earth. If you were my girl, I will give you my heart.
Be you that you need.
Show you you're everything that's precious to me.
If you give me a chance, I can love you like that.
I never make a promise that I don't intend to keep. So when I say forever, forever's what I mean. No, I'm no Casanova, but I swear this much is true. I'll be holding that night when it comes to you.
Dream of love that's everlasting. Oh, baby, open up your eyes.
I can love you like that.
Yeah.
I can make you my world. Heaven and earth. If you were my girl,
You and
I
my
will
girl,
give you my heart.
be you that you need.
Show you you're everything that's precious to me.
If you give me a chance, I can love you like that.
Yeah.
You want tenderness, I got tenderness, and I see you through to the heart of you.
If you want a man who understands,
You don't have to look very far.
I can love you.
Yeah, I can love you.
I can love you like that. I will make you my world. Heaven and earth. If you were my girl,
You and my
I will give you my
girl,
heart.
be you that you need, baby.
Show you you're everything that's precious to me.
Yeah,
I can love you like
I
that.
can love
You're
you.
my world. Heaven and earth. If you were my girl, I will give you my heart. Give you all that you need. Show you you're everything that's precious to me. I can love you, love you, love you, love you,
I can love you, hug and kiss and hug you, baby. Let me love my My love, wanna see a kupele.
Every time I close my eyes, I think the love that I got you.
wondering, Beku kesi ifefe. What is on your mind? I'm just waiting for you to tell me, baby. Heal my bed, here they are, so I know I'm on your mind. Bell to microphone, where do we go? Get one more in one more time. I've been waiting for your touch so very much that I hear when you're around me. The way you make me feel, the way your love is real. Oh no, no, my darling, me, oh my darling. Ooh, it touched my bed, so I know that I got you, baby. Oh, no. The love is since the day I found you. Man, I'm doing my best over. I'll love you over and over. the dance have refused. I guess you could say that I've been lucky. Well, I guess you could say that it's all because of you. If anyone should ever write my life story, for whatever reason there might be, oh, you'll be there between each line of pain and glory. 'Cause you're the best thing that ever happened to me. Oh, you're the best thing that ever happened to me. There have been times when times were hard. I somehow made it. I made it through. For every moment that I've spent hurting, there was a moment that I spent just loving you. If anyone should ever write my life story, for whatever reason there might be, oh, you'll be there between each line of pain and glory. 'Cause you're the best thing that ever happened to me. Oh, you're the best thing that ever happened to me.
Rescue you. You like romantic movies, and you never will forget that way you felt when Romeo kissed Juliet.
And all the time that you've been waiting, you don't have to wait no more.
I can love you like that. I will make you my world.
Yeah.
Heaven and earth, if you were my girl. promise that I don't intend to keep. So when I say forever, forever's what I mean. No, I'm no Casanova, but I swear this much is true. I'll be holding that right when it comes to you.
Dream of love that's everlasting. But baby, open up your eyes.
I can love you like that. I can make you my world. Oh, heaven and earth. If you were my girl,
You and
I
my girl,
would give you my heart.
be all that you need.
Show you you're everything that's precious to me.
If you give me a chance, I can love you like that.
Yeah.
You want tenderness, I got tenderness, and I see through to the heart of you.
If you want a man who understands,
You don't have to look very far.
I can love you.
Yeah, I can love you.
I can love you like that. I can make you my world. Heaven and earth. If you were my girl,
You and
I
my
would give you my
girl,
heart.
be all that you need, baby.
Show you you're everything that's precious to me.
Yeah.